Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to add a video on PowerPoint using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your PowerPoint, then just go ahead and click on the Insert button at the upper left side of your screen. And now you can see the video option here at the right side of your screen. Then just go ahead and click on that. And you can choose either from this device or online videos. So I'm just gonna choose this device. So just go ahead and click that. And then now you can just go ahead and choose the video that you want. For example, that one. So you just go ahead and click on that video and that video will be added on your presentation. So that's it. That is how you add a video on PowerPoint. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.